Yeah, man, see all of them birds, eh? You see them? You see how happy they are? Look at them. These little birds live so loving and so nice to each other. I'm wondering why we can't live nice like them to each other also. Look. Them know say them can live good with one another, you know. Look at them. Everybody have fun, you know. And you know, see nobody a fight, you know. What make we who have much more knowledge than them can have the same kind of fun without fighting and arguing and hurting one another, could they? Eh? Look at them. All of the fun in the whole world them have, you know, and look food meanwhile. And they find food and they share food all the way on Skelly and TV. Look at them. You look at them. They're all there. Bigger ones come and nobody argue or fight. Everybody is just having so much fun. You whole of them have fun, could they? Eh? All in front of me of them there. And you hold all food in your hand, you know. And them come right, they come eat it and go back go play. See them there? They're right there. See them you look on there? And them that you look on all the way there, so. See them there? You can't see, you don't see them. Birds. New York birds having so much fun. Yes, I see them there? All the way on Skelly and TV. Is that something else? That is so nice. Out.